So why does sustainable travel matter more than ever, especially in beautiful coastal destinations like Puerto Penasco? Well, as travelers, we're more aware of our impact on the places we visit, and it's become super important to protect these amazing spots for future generations. Puerto Penasco is really stepping up to meet these demands, offering, both its traditional charm and a growing range of eco-conscious options. In this video, we'll be exploring hotels, resorts, and activities that cater to the environmentally aware traveler in Puerto Penasco today. These days, sustainable tourists are really focused on minimizing their environmental impact. So things like reducing their carbon footprint, conserving resources, and practicing responsible waste management are top priorities. Supporting the local economy and culture is also huge. That means engaging with local businesses and truly appreciating the area's cultural heritage. Conservation and education play a big role too, with travelers wanting to learn about and contribute to the preservation of natural habitats and wildlife. And honestly, people are seeking authentic experiences. They want to make genuine connections with the destination's natural beauty and its community. When it comes to places to stay, there are some really cool resorts in Puerto Penasco with strong green initiatives. For example, Vidanta Puerto Penasco has received the EarthCheck Gold certification, which is this international standard for sustainable tourism. That means they're seriously committed to environmental performance. Playa Azul Rocky Point is another great option, with energy-efficient materials and soundproofing, so guests can enjoy an eco-conscious and peaceful stay. Over at Laguna Shores Resort, you'll find a master-planned community right next to a wildlife estuary, offering guests the chance to explore natural surroundings and enjoy a more uncrowded experience. Vacation rental homes are also popular, especially in areas like Las Conchas and Las Gaviotas, and they can have a lower environmental footprint compared to big resorts. If you go this route, it's a good idea to look for rentals that encourage responsible resource use, like providing recycling or discouraging excessive water use. Even though specific eco-certifications for individual rentals are less common, choosing this type of accommodation can still be a more sustainable option. CEDO, which stands for the Center for the Study of Deserts and Oceans, is a nonprofit dedicated to conservation. Here, you can join eco-tours, learn about local marine life, and support their mission just by visiting. It's really a great way to make a difference. Moving on, there's the El Pinacate Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its unique volcanic and desert landscapes. You can explore craters and, by doing so, help support this protected area. Wildlife encounters are also a highlight in Puerto Penasco. For example, Bird Island, or Isla San Jorge, is a federal reserve that's home to sea lions and a wide variety of bird species. Taking a wildlife tour or simply observing animals in their natural habitat is both fascinating and respectful. And of course, it's super important to respect natural spaces. Whether you're enjoying the beaches by not littering and respecting wildlife, or just participating in activities that promote appreciation for the environment rather than exploiting it. So, yeah, sustainable options are definitely available, and honestly, they're growing in Puerto Penasco. I encourage travelers to prioritize eco-friendly choices, support local initiatives, and really try to leave a positive impact. Looking ahead, the continued development of sustainable tourism is just so important for Puerto Penasco's long-term health and appeal.